Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm cleaning my bathroom again, and disinfect it and do all what I need to do. And today I'm using some soft soap for my tub. This is the one with the bleach. So you know when you use this, you have to be very careful with the clothes you have on. So I done changed my clothes and everything, and gonna put this in my tub. And I also have my daily shower cleanser right here. And I'm gonna spray my towel. I know I look a little rough. My sinuses got me down. I don't know. Oh, that's cute. So how are you today, guys? I hope all is well. And you staying blessed and out of trouble. I'm gonna put you up some, you guys. I keep this in my bathroom. It's for like a breast exam and how you go through the different, what you feel and what's the difference in nipple discharge, lumps and everything like that. So I keep this in my bathroom. Okay, so make sure you get one of these. And I do my breast exam on Monday, February 19th. So I'm going to take care of that, you guys. So I was just reading a little in the back where it said about dense breasts. So just make sure, ladies and men, make sure you just check, make sure everything is okay. So I just keep that in my bathroom and do the breast exam while I'm in the shower. I'm almost out of soft soap. I just got a little bit left. So I'm gonna put this. I never tried this, guys. I think this coconut. Is it coconut? Notes of coconut. I never tried this, but this big bottle from Walmart costs, I think, $4 and something. Four something. But I know I got some Walmart cash off of this boy. Yes, I did. So I don't know that they still have it. Go over there and check it out. But I think they had lavender, but I did get coconut. So I'm gonna put this in my bathroom after I finish cleaning. Okay. soft soap. This stuff, no, it's strong, but I have my vent on in my bathroom. Okay, so what I do, once I put the soft soap in my tub and I go around it, I let it sit for like 10 minutes before it can just get in there and get all the dirt and grime off. So that's what I'm going to do, you guys. And continue to put my body wash and stuff up. And I thank you for watching. And I will be back later with another video. And remember, soft scrub, they have the one with the lemon and the bleach. But the bleach, I really like that because it gets the stains out, you guys. So I thank you for watching. And bye-bye for now. Let me get back to cleaning.